Hi friends, I'm CA Dayanand Bongale. Welcome to my YouTube channel CA Dayanand Bongale English. Friends, I have been taking classes at Bangalore and this is my first try to come live in English channel and share my knowledge, share my experience into the stock market. So basically before taking up any questions, I would like to brief about what happened today in the market. Today, the Nifty opened at 22,385 and it went as high as 22,521 and it went to low as 22,346 and finally it closed at 22,434. So it was a low of around 0.08% low. So quickly let us see what happened with Nifty, Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty opened at 47,350. It went as high as 47,676 and it hit a low of 47,279 and closed at 47,624. Friends, let us quickly check who are the contributors for the Nifty 50. I mean to say, like, who pulled the market up. So if you see that TCS has pulled, so totally we can see that 18 points is down towards the Nifty at the end of the day. So which was actually, this was also contributed by TCS has contributed around 16 points towards the upside movement and Axis Bank around 10 points, Bharti Airtel 10 points, NTPC 7 points and Bajaj Finance also around 7 points. But the major, the companies which dragged the Nifty was Reliance. So today Reliance has gone down by 1% and it has contributed for 26 points. Means the total fall in the market was contributed majorly by Reliance, followed by Kotak Bank around 10 points, L&T, ICICI Bank and Bajaj Auto all put together, they have contributed individually 777 points. So today we have seen that market was almost it is like a doji only, you can say, as it is 0.08% downside, means it is almost like a doji. So we all know, friends, doji means a candlesticks wherein the size of the body is very thin. So how do you identify that? So the body is very thin body. It's around 10% of the size of the candle. Say for example, the length of the candle will be too big, but the body is around 10%. It doesn't matter which is the color of the body, because as it is a doji, the color of the body will be green or red. It doesn't matter. So friends, we have seen that in the last two consecutive trading days, we have seen two dojis happening, and the third day today also, you can also say it as a doji itself. Although there is a small bigger body in this candle, but we say still it is a doji only. Friends, before, one second. This live is not coming here. Yeah, it's coming, I think. Yeah. Fine, no issues, yeah. So what we'll do is we'll understand some of the tricks to identify which is the side of the market, means which is the trend of the market with this particular live, my dear friends. Friends, I welcome, I think around 6 people are watching this live, and I'm thankful to you all. This is my first trial to start a live, and in the coming days I will come during the market hours. This particular session is purely for the educational purpose. You may ask me any questions. I will try and answer you the appropriate answers. If I do not know, I will politely, humbly, I will say I do not know, and I will come up in the coming days with the proper answer. But I will ensure you that I will not misguide you or mislead you by any chance. Okay. Friends, today let us see how to identify the trend of the market. Say for example, market is moving at 22,450 today. How to identify which direction the market might take? This is the question. So generally what people follow something like, they might see seeing the NSE website, advanced decline ratio is one of the matter, and overall sentiments of the market, be it in the Nifty or in the next 50, Nifty next 50, or in the bank Nifty sector, or people also look at, generally they look at the other sectors. Also, they will also look at the worldwide. What was the Nasdaq closing at, where the Dow Jones was closing at, what is the Asian market sentiments, all these things. Today I would like to give a small trick to identify what is the direction of the market. Friends, you may take a pen and a paper and you can make a note of it, how to identify. So, friends, the market today has closed at 22,434. So what I will do is, I will take up the closest strike price, that is 22,450. Just 1 second. 22,450. Friends, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the current expiry as well as the monthly expiry. So what I have done is, I'm comparing both 22,450 call side as well as the put side. So I'm going to repeat again, 22,450 call premium I am checking. Also I am checking the put premium. So when I just test check on these things, so I can see 22,450 call side, the premium is 52.85. I repeat, 22,450. This tomorrow's expiry I'm able to see that the premium is 52.85, whereas 22,450 put side premium is 67 rupees. Friends, we can see here that the premium is more towards the put side. The premium is more towards the put side, but the strike price is 22,450, whereas the spot price is 22,434. So there is an intrinsic value of around 17 rupees in this. So it means to say the premium is indirectly, it is 50 rupees and 50 rupees on the both the sides. So the market looks to be neutral. I mean to say the market is neutral on both the sides. So it is exactly a doji. So how to verify next? We'll go to the next expiry, or we'll take up the monthly expiry. My dear friends, this month expiry I'm going to take now. April month end, 22,450 call premium and put premium both I am going to check. So friends, let us quickly check on this. So this month's 22,450 call premium is 298 rupees, whereas 22,450 put premium is 201. Friends, it is very clear and evident that the call side premiums are more. It is almost 50% more than the put side premium. What does this indicate? Why people are ready to pay more premium? We have to understand this particular point. Because stock market is all about the common sense. We have to understand, we should not complicate too much in the stock market. 22,450 call side premium or more means more people are willing to more of the premium and buy that particular strike price. So it is evident in the monthly horizon, the market sentiments are bullish. So I gave you a small trick. Whenever you are confused what to do, where the market might move on. So first thing what you have to do is, immediately check for the current expiry, what is the premium for the call side and for the put side. Whichever direction the premium is more sentiments are towards that particular side. That is, if the call side premium is more, it is one of the trick I would like to say. We have so many parameters, we have so many indicators, we have so much of analysis to do, right? We also use something like, in our institute, we also learn about Chanakya analysis. It is the best mechanism to find out the support and the resistance in the stock market. Because what I believe is, stock market is all about buying anything at the lower price and selling at the higher price, right? So the main thing is how to identify which is the lowest price and which is the highest price. In the stock market, we typically call it as this, the price at which we are ready to buy is called as the support price. And the price at which it will reach, after that it will not go, something like this, we call it as the resistance. So with the help of Chanakya analysis, we find out the support and resistance. So we also do not, we never take the naked positions in our institute. It's all purely for educational purpose. Friends, you can learn the art of trading and the art of investing by also going through the classes, which is also available in the application CA Dayanand Bongale. You can just download the application from the Play Store and type CA Chartered Accountant Dayanand Bongale, CA Dayanand Bongale, wherein we also have the complete course available in English, where we start from learning from the basics of the stock market. What is the meaning of share? What is stock? From there we start what is share market? What is the stock exchange? From here, as basic as low, we'll learn about the fundamentals of the stock market, how to identify the particular stock, what are the fundamental parameters we have to observe, what is technical analysis, what are the candlesticks we have to learn, indicators. After that, basics of the options, futures, we go till the hedging strategies. Friends, I am a hedger. People call me as a hedging star in Karnataka. So I never take any positions which are naked. I mean to say, like, I will never take open positions, because we never know kal kya hoga. Nobody knows the future. So in order to safeguard our capital, or in order to safeguard our profits which we have earned, we are going to always hedge our positions and will trade or invest in the stock market. Friends, I would like to
comment.
Yeah, I would like to read some of the comments. Sir, what is the minimum risk strategy or the long straddle or double doji? Okay, for tomorrow. Mr. Trader, I would like to inform you that whenever there are two dojis in the stock market, two dojis in the sense, it is an indecisiveness. Okay, so whenever there is a doji means what? The meaning doji, the word doji means indecisiveness. Nobody knows who is powerful. In the stock market is all about the fight between two people, that is one buyer and the seller. So we have to understand the fight is between buyers and seller. Who is more powerful? The candlesticks will clearly indicate who is powerful. If there is a bullish candle formed, it means to say the buyers are powerful. They are taking the control over the market. If the market is having a very big candle, that is a bearish candle, it means sellers are having the control over the market. So they are very powerful. So the meaning of doji means we don't know who is powerful. Both are equally powerful. In that case, we have to be very, very cautious. So I would like to say that long straddle can one of the strategy where we can better implement this, because whenever there is, please tell about the election effect on the stock market, Monk Miles. Yeah, my dear friend, I'll come back on this. So I'd like to tell you that whenever there are two dojis forming consecutively, and the third day candle is also an almost doji, it is a clear indication that market is going to take one particular direction. We really don't know which direction. So in that case, the strategy by name long straddle is of help to us. My dear friends, you can do a paper trading based on this and you can learn. What is the meaning of long straddle? So I always tell straddle. The word straddle is having something at the end, something called as idle, right? So idle means wherever you are stagnant, means at the money. In the options market, we call it as options terminologies, we call it as at the money strike price. When we are very confused about what might happen in the market, it is always better to buy both the sides. If you feel if the market goes in the bullish side, this CE will help. If the market goes on the downside, PE will help. So why to take risk? Let us go at 3:25 p.m. in the evening, okay, before 5 minutes to the end of the market. What we will do is we'll go and buy both call as well as put, and for the next day, if there is a gap up opening or if there is a high volatility on the upside, we will be safeguarded by the call side. If the market falls drastically, because my dear friends, elections are nearing, that is the MP election Lok Sabha elections are nearing. So in this time, it will also analyze what is the effect of elections on the stock market. That also we'll discuss in next few minutes. Okay. I hope you are all liking my videos. If you are really liking my videos, kindly give one thumbs up or like. So I am not able to see any one single like, as well as unlike. If you don't like my efforts, you may also unlike my page. No issues. So I like the thumbs. Yes, thank you so much. I think I've received one heart. Thank you so much. For this particular page, you can just like it. For this particular video, you may like it and support me. Fine. Friends, in the first 15 minutes, I have given you one trick how to identify the side or the trend of the market, whether it is a bullish trend or a bearish trend that we have observed. Okay. So now quickly let us analyze what is the impact of the elections on the stock market. Friends, let us do one thing. We will take last 4 assembly elections. What is the impact of these elections on the stock market? How the stock market, that is Nifty, has reacted 1 month prior to the election, on the date of the result, as well as 1 month after the elections. Friends, let us start by analyzing this way. See, we are able to see 4 elections, that is in the year 2004, 2009, 2015 and 2014 and 2019. These are the 4 elections we have seen. We know that in the year 2004, people were hoping for the BJP to come into the power, but again the Congress government, that is UPA government, took over the control. Although there was no majority in the the magic number of 272 was not fulfilled by Congress alone, but it was just like a hung government. So the coalition was formed and they formed the government. So what happened is, 1 month prior to the election, there was a fall of 9% in the Nifty, and after the election results, market fell by around 15%, my dear friends. Emotionally, people were thinking that the market will be a BJP government in the central, but it didn't happen. So in 2004, the market fell 9% BJP government before the elections. Central market also fell by 15% after the elections. So now quickly let us go to 2009. My dear friends, in the year 2009 also, Congress came into the power. Although again 272 magic number was not reached by the Congress government, but still with the help of coalition, they formed the government. So once again, when Congress came into the power, the effect is abnormally high. 1 month prior to the election, market gave 5% on the upside, as well as after the election, the market gave 27.5% of upside momentum. My dear friends, there is one surprising, shocking number, that is on the date of result, the market gave 17.74% bullish momentum in the market. So now we have seen how Lok Sabha elections are affecting the stock market. We are learning all this for the educational purpose, my dear friends. So I have already discussed in 2004, before the election also market fell, after the election also market fell, and on the date of the result, the candlesticks formed is called as doji. Means nobody is clear, whether the market is controlled by the buyers or sellers, nobody knew that. And in the year 2009, market gave a bullish momentum 1 month prior to the election also, and 1 month after the election also. Now the question is towards 2014 elections, when there was a Narendra Modi sir's wave was there, right? So when we are able to see the wave of Narendra Modi, we have seen that prior to the elections, there was an upside rally of 7.5%, and after the election, after 1 month from the election, there was an upside movement of 8%. Friends, we are able to see that on the date of the result, the market went up by 6.5%. So I mean to say 2014 MP elections, 1 month prior to the election also the market was bullish. 1 month post election was also bullish. On the date of result also the market is bullish. This was all about 2014. And in the year 2019, there was a clear majority. The magic number was 272, but the number achieved was 303. So it was a clear indication that Narendra Modi is going to be the Prime Minister in the 2019 election, after the elections. And 1 month prior to the elections, the market rallied upside by 5.3%. 1 month after the election also it was 3.8% upside momentum. Friends, what happened on the date of the result, that also is very fascinating. Number is 2.5% upside rally in the Nifty. Friends, now I would like to tell you, so now the market is around, say for example, 22,450. 1% means 225 around, right? 2% means around 450 points. Can you just imagine, in 2019 market on the date of election result, it rallied by 17%. 17%, it means around, for today's market, around 4,000 rally. 4,000 Nifty to rally. If the results of 2009, if it's something similar happens in this year, the market is going to rally for 3,800 to 4,000 points. This is what we are expecting, right? We don't know, but see, nobody knows what would happen in the stock market. One thing I would like to always tell you all, my dear friends, always hedge your positions. You should always take the reverse positions. You should always think reverse. I also already given you one particular the trick, how to identify the trend of the market. Friends, I already told. Once again I'd like to tell for those who have joined now. RBL sir needs levels. Yes sir, fine. Monk Miles Trader, thank you so much to you all for coming live and being part of my live session. Yeah. So now, before I go for the levels, I would like to tell you all that. So on the date of the election results, market is going to be highly volatile. So the question is, if at all we are the naked option buyers, we might incur heavy abnormal profits, or our capital also might become zero on that day, right? So what I'd like to say is, friends, learn the art of hedging. Anywhere in India you can learn. Whoever is good at teaching you the hedging strategies, kindly learn from them. Because what I always seen is, people bring in their capital from their home and they'll invest into the market with the lack of knowledge and finally go back with empty hand. So kindly never lose your money. We also believe that stop loss means STOP, stop. We believe it as a remove that S. What is left out? Top loss. So we do not have something called concept of stop loss. We'll always manage our risks by hedging our positions. So hedging means taking the reverse positions for the initial actions taken. So this is how we do it, and we'll quickly go to the identify. How do we identify the levels? Friends, now it's the time to identify the levels of the stock market for tomorrow. So we have a unique system called Chanakya analysis, which we study in our institute, Dayanand Bongale Stock Market Training Institute. Friends, the address and the contact numbers are given below here. So you may contact if you want to be a real trader or an investor or a profitable investor or trader. You please feel free to call this number. And it's not necessary that you have to travel all the way to Bangalore to learn the concepts. The course is completely available at Play Store or also at the iOS, Apple iOS. Okay. So you may type something called Chartered Accountant, CA Dayanand Bongale. You will get my application, download it. There is something called complete full stop course, complete full stop course, which is available at 6,500 rupees. Friends, we start from basics and we go till the hedging. So I have given my best efforts to explain the concepts in the most simplest way and take the trade with the help of hedging. So you'll all learn all these things. Okay, quickly let us. We also have classes in Bangalore. It is typically taken in Kannada language. That is why I also said you may take the English version of the classes through the online course. So our classes start from every Friday morning 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock and Saturday, Sundays 10 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock, and followed by 15 days of practical training. So quickly let us check what is the market sentiments or what is the support and resistance for Nifty for tomorrow. So what we are doing is, tomorrow the date is 4th of April. I am checking with the help of Chanakya analysis what is the support and resistance. Friends, we have around 8 parameters for the Chanakya analysis to find out the support and resistance, but we are happy to announce you that we have a software for this which is absolutely given free of cost in our website www.cadayanandbongale.com. As of now it's completely free and you can make use of it for your educational purpose. Okay, friends, we are able to see that the Nifty is having a very good support. Is having very good support for tomorrow at 22,300 and the resistance is 22,550. Friends, I would like to tell you all that the data is changing every 3 minutes because we are taking the help of the option chain to identify the support and resistance using various parameters. We go through in detail what is the meaning of open interest, change in open interest, volume and all those data. We'll have an analysis view. Okay, then we have so many parameters, then we arrive at the support and resistance. Once we know till where the market will not fall or above this particular level the market will not go, if we know these two things with the help of hedging, can't we trade or invest? Yes, you heard it right. We can easily trade with the help of the hedging, with the help of analyzing the support and resistance, with the help of Chanakya analysis. We also go through some of the indicators techniques. Also will understand the basics fundamentals of the stocks. Yeah. Now let us check for the indicators techniques. Tomorrow also will. Okay. Not for tomorrow, it was actually today itself. 1 second. Monthly we let us see for the next expiry, but we will see. 10th of April is the next expiry. Friends, Chanakya analysis theoretically, if I have to tell you, it will take around 30 minutes to identify with the same calculations what we do. But now with the help of software, it is just 3 clicks to find out the support and resistance. Okay, so the best support I am able to see is 47,200. 47,200 is the support and good resistance is seen at 47,700. My dear friends, today we have seen Nifty also and Bank Nifty also, it has not given any kind of a volatile momentum. So we are able to see that Bank Nifty has gone up by 0.17%, whereas the Nifty has fallen by 0.08%. So it means to say that Bank Nifty थोड़ा सा ऊपर गया है और Nifty थोड़ा सा नीचे गया है. So कोई उसमें कोई अंतर ज़्यादा नहीं है. It is almost like a doji, I can say that, right? So whenever there are continuous dojis that are appearing, my dear friends, in the last 3 consecutive days, I can see here that the Bank Nifty is trading between 47,700 as the highest level and the lowest level is 47,300, almost 300. So there is just a movement of 400 points. We have been always seeing 1000 points moving in the bank nifty as well as. Yes, Sagar. Sagar is our editor. Yeah, Sagar, tell me.
12 people are watching.
Okay, thank you so much. My dear friends, I would like to thank all the viewers here. Uh, Thank you so much. Ritadam, yeah. What is Chanakya analysis? Chanakya analysis is a methodology used in our institute to find out the support and the resistance. I already told Mr. Ritadam that support means the level at which the market will not fall to. From there it will bounce back. That is the meaning is support. And the level at from where it will not bypass that, it is called as resistance. These are the some of the common words that are used in the stock market. So it is called as a support and resistance. So once we know the support level and the resistance level, it is more easier for us to trade in the stock market. See, the data is provided by the National Stock Exchange. It is not provided by any third party, my dear friends. The data is provided by the NSE on an interval of 3 minutes. So every 3 minutes using the freely available data, and we will be trading and investing. So that is what is called as Chanakya analysis. I would like to take any questions that you have. If you have any questions, my dear friends, you may call us on the given below number 6362 985767. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Ritadam, thank you so much. Yeah. So I would like to wait for 2-3 minutes for any other queries that you have. Thank you, my dear friends. There are around 12 people who are watching us now. It is a small effort of sharing whatever the knowledge that I have got or the experience that I have got in these last 13 years. Yeah. Bandhan Bank, they're asking me the. I'll just go for that. So Bandhan Bank, I'm using the Chanakya analysis with the just help of 3 clicks. Friends, those who are taking the classes online, they can easily understand what is the meaning of Chanakya analysis, how to find out the support and resistance and all those stuff. So I'm just having a look at Bandhan Bank as of now. I'm just going to download now. Yeah. Just delete all this data. Bandhan Bank, download, first click. And this is my second click, and this is my third click. Okay, done. Friends, the Bandhan Bank is having a very good support at 182.5. 182.5 is a very good support. The possibility of falling below this is very remote, I feel, at this level. But anything is possible in the stock market. Tomorrow you'll have to wait and watch again once we have the option chain with us at 9:18. Okay, the market opens at 9:15. After every 3 minutes of interval, we get the refresh option change. So the levels of Bandhan Bank is 182.5 is the support, and when we see the resistance, we are able to see 192.5 is the resistance. 192.5 and 182.5. These are the two levels. I would like to say this. So the market is going at 190.9. So it might go slightly up by around 1.5 rupees. And if it falls, it is going to fall drastically to 182.5. Friends, we are also able to see that there is a dip in the India VIX. Today, 2.4% is the fall in the India VIX. What is this India VIX? Friends, India VIX means Indian Volatility Index. It means to say, what is the sentiments of the traders? What are the sentiments of the investors? So, I would like to say that this India VIX and Nifty both are inversely proportional. Means, if India VIX falls, the Nifty will go up. So, there is a very less tension, less pressure, or people are like, they are calm and they are not too much worried. So, the India VIX is currently at India VIX, what is India VIX? It is too low today. India VIX, I'm just typing this. India VIX. Problem with the keyboard. Yeah. So India VIX is 11.37. 11.37 percentage. So I'll just open the chart for India VIX as well as my dear friends. Friends, we are able to see that India VIX has fallen drastically. So I would like to say that whenever India VIX, we'll also put some indicators for the India VIX. Let us quickly check what might happen. So according to me, if the India VIX, it is fallen so much, the market India VIX might go up. If the India VIX go up, the Nifty is going to fall. That is a clear indication. So first thing what I taught is today, we have to analyze the call side and put side, both the premiums you have to analyze. That is the first point. Second point is we have to see the sentiments of the Asian market or the global market as well as that. And the third point what I am saying today is we have to always observe the India VIX. That is volatility index. Friends, 11.37 is India VIX. What is the meaning of this India VIX? I would like to tell you, India VIX means volatility index for Nifty only. For Nifty, what is the range of volatility in a whole year? So, the India VIX is telling that the volatility is around 11.37 percentage in the whole year. So, we are on 3rd of April 2024, we are expecting that the market might be volatile, be it on the downside or on the upside. The market can be volatile for the extent of around 11.37 percentage. It is very clear, my dear friends. It means to say around in this particular year, from April 3rd to next year, the India VIX is indicating that the market might fluctuate by around 2300 points on the either side. It might go plus 2300 or it might come down by 2300 points. Ajay, hi, namaskara. And RBL, sir, namaste, sir. Course fees, how many courses is there, sir? Okay. My dear friends, we have only one course, that is a complete full stop course. That is like, it's purely, we do not have any kind of stage by stage learning or something like that. We purely have only one course that will cover from basics of the stock market till the hedging strategies. So you need not have to go and search for, okay, sir, I have learned this much now. What is the next level? Everything is covered in one market, because if you want to get confused, there are so many the subjects are available on the YouTube which you can watch. But my dear friends, finally क्या करना है? पैसा कमाना है. पैसा कमाना है बोलो तो with a lot of knowledge only we have to enter the market. If you do not have proper knowledge, kindly do not enter the market. Be a long-term investor. Buy the fundamentally good stocks on a proper dips. What is the meaning of dips? Dips means from the 52 weeks high, the particular fundamentally good stock should have fallen by at least 25 percentage. That is a good dip, my dear friends. So we have seen that. Naveen Kumar, yes, hi sir, I am first batch student, sir. My ROI per month, sir, very good. Okay. ROI is 5%. Naveen Kumar, I am very happy to have you here. I am happy to see you that you are my first batch student. I am very happy for that. Yeah. Okay. So whoever has come, mine always I will go for a live. I will never delete any messages or anything like that. You can see our Google reviews as well as, my dear friends. It feels very privileged and blessed from my parents and my God and all the elders, I feel. The ratings is 5-star. People like our teaching. The intention of the classes itself is we have to spread more of knowledge about the finance and the stock market, so that they can be independent and they can take the trades with the help of hedging. Yeah.
Comment.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. So I would like to take any one or two questions from you all. How many minutes it were, Sagar?
Sir,
39, 40 minutes.
No, how many minutes it's
39.
39 minutes already. Okay. We'll just wait for another 2 minutes.
Comment, somebody is.
Okay.
Naveen Kumar.
Naveen Kumar, I am seeing his comment. I am the first batch student, sir. My return on investment is 5% per month. I already congratulated him. I feel very happy about it. Yeah. So yeah, fine. Friends, if you have any queries, please type it on the chat box here. I will read it and I'll try to answer your queries. Yeah. If you want to talk to me, you can also call this particular number. They'll put me on the conference call and I'll be able to talk to you and answer your questions directly. Kindly never take this as a tips or a suggestions. Kindly consult your financial advisor before investing or before trading. Okay, Tata Power, yeah. Mr. RBL, you are asking so many questions once again. Tata Power and before investing or before. I'll try and take these two. One is Tata Power and Kotak Bank. I think Kotak Bank has seen a very good correction in the Kotak Bank as well. So I'm going to take Tata Power.
Sir.
So I'm going to take, yes, Sagar, tell me, sir. Tell me, Sagar. Okay. I'm going to take Tata Power now. Tata Power, I am using Chanakya analysis. So I'm able to see that there is a very good support at 395. 395, there is a very good support. And I'm able to see that the resistance at 415. 415. Tata Power. Yeah. I'm going to take the next query, that is Kotak Bank. Yeah. I'm taking Kotak Bank now. Friends, the Kotak Bank is having a very good support at 1720. Very good support at 120 and a good resistance at 1790. One 1720 is a very good support, and if you see the resistance 1790. Friends, quickly let us see what is Kotak Bank doing. I am opening the chart here. So I am able to see that market has corrected. The Kotak Bank was trading on 27th and 28th of December at 1925. 1925 was the trading price, and today it is available at 1731. So if we calculate and see 1731, 1925. So it has corrected by almost 11%. So if at all it falls, then I also feel that if the market heavily corrects or something like that, it might even go till 1685. Yes, 1685, 1690 would be a very, very strong support. If it breaches that and the next support for a day or two, it might also reach 1650. But friends, with the help of Chanakya analysis, we are able to easily see that the market can bounce back from 1720, I feel. Rajaram Hegde, namaste sir. Naveen Kumar will also talk about HDFC Bank, and Nishita madam, good evening. Yeah. Naveen sir, I'll tell you about the HDFC Bank now. So kindly consult your financial advisor. Once again, I'm telling this because I do not want anybody to lose any kind of money without hedging. So kindly hedge your positions, because making consistent small profits is far better than waiting for a bigger profits and losing all the capital. So kindly do not lose any money, because the fight is not with anybody, the fight is with the FIIs. 1430 looks to be a very, very good support for HDFC Bank, whereas the resistance is at 1500. 1430 means there is a big gap, no, downside we are able to see this. That is my worry is also about. Yeah. And I would like to take the last question for today. That is Reliance. Friends, those who are liking my efforts to come live and this thing, kindly like my video here. Just like this. Yeah. This will really support me, motivate me to come live more number of times and try to spread my knowledge of the expertise, whatever I have gained in these many years. Yeah. Thank you so much. You can directly like on the page. Yes. Reliance, I'm going to see now. Reliance, Chanakya, let's just come on. There's a great support is, wow. His abnormal support is at 2880. 2880, I'm able to see that. And a heavy resistance is seen at the levels of 3000. 2880. क्या चल रहा है इसमें रिलायंस में विजिट लेंगे कैंडल स्टिक्स पैटर्न क्या बन रहा है मार्केट ऊपर ऊपर जा चुका है ऑलरेडी ओके
So please subscribe
Yeah.
our channel.
Yeah. So market is already at the peak because of Reliance. The Reliance had a very big rally from 2280 onwards. It started moving up, and there is a non-stop movement. Even it crossed 3000 to 3000 in the like, few days back. Okay, in the last week we were able to see the Reliance was crossing 3000, and now it has fallen to 2943. I am able to see a good support at 2880. Yes, friends, please do subscribe to my channel if you are liking my efforts. Kindly press on the subscribe button, and for all the notifications you will get it once I am live, or if I am posting any videos you will be able to see it. Okay. Yes, my dear friends, I hope the session was of use to you, and you may share it with your friends if you like those 3 tricks what I have given today. If those 3 tricks are helpful to you, you may share it with other friends. Thank you so much. Thank you.